Hi, to turn off and set up power button on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, as a first step, let's turn it off. For that, we would need to find power button and volume down buttons. If you hold your tab, like in my case, so in this landscape view, then you should see the buttons on top of the tab. Let me show you this closer. So here you'll find those buttons. This small button is power button, this is volume up button, and that one is volume down. So to turn off our tab, we would need to hold those two buttons together, volume down button and power button. And after that, you would see this power off menu appears on the screen. So to turn off your tab, you would need to simply tap on this power off option and then confirm by tapping it again. You should see the Samsung logo appears on the screen, feel slight vibration, and after that your tab will be completely turned off. If you would like to turn it on back, you would need to simply hold the power button now itself till you see the Samsung logo appears on the screen like that. And after this, your tab will turn on within a couple of seconds. Great, now it's on, so let's customize the power button. For that, we need to find and open tab settings. From here, scroll so you could see this tab advanced features, and after that, select side button. And then for the press and hold, you can select either wake up Bixby or enable power off menu. So now there will be no need to press power and volume down buttons, only the power button. Let's select this power off menu and now let's test it. I'm just gonna hold power off button and now we can see the power off menu appears on the screen. And also right here you can see side button settings, so here you can do just the same. And additionally we can set double press. Here we got quick launch camera or open any app from the list. You can find a list if you just tap this settings icon, but firstly select it and now you can see this list of apps. Let's select quick launch camera and double press side button, which is power button of course. And now camera opens immediately. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.